How to back up your blockchain.com wallet. If you want to back up your blockchain.com wallet, go to blockchain.com and log into your account. Once you have done that, tap on the three lines option from the top right, and here you will see all these options. So here you can also go to wallet and addresses. Now if you want to go ahead and then basically back it up, you can go to preferences here, and under preferences here you can see a couple of options. But if you also go inside this security and so on, under security you can see secret private key recovery phrase. So you can simply choose to back up your funds. You can simply tap on backup and you can back up to your Google Drive and so on. So you don't have to remember the 12-word recovery phrase, but next time whenever you want to log in, you can directly restore it from your browser or from your Google Drive backups. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.